Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1. Question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. That means we have to identify which of the following collection are well-defined collection. If the collection is well-defined collection, then we can easily say that that collection is a set. And if it is not well-defined collection, then it is not a set. First one is the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. This collection is well defined collection because we can easily say that the months of a year beginning with the letter J are January, June and July. So this collection is well defined collection, so it is a set. Second one is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Now, there is no criteria to determine who is most talented writers. So, this collection is not a well-defined collection, and because of it, this is not a set. So, not set. Third one is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Again, there is a no criteria to determine who is best cricket batsman. So, because of the given collection is not well defined collection, it is not a set. So this is also not a set. Fourth one is the collection of all boys in your class. Now we can easily find all boys that belongs to our class. So this collection is well defined collection, so it is a set. Fifth one is the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Again we can say that all the natural numbers which are less than 100 are from 1 to 99. So because of this, that means we can easily say that 1 from 1 to 99 are natural numbers which are less than 100. So it is a well defined collection and therefore it is a set. Sixth one is a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Again we can easily collect all the novels that written by writer Munshi Premchand. So given collection is a well defined collection and because of well defined this collection is a set. Seventh one is the collection of all even integers. Again we can collect all the even integers. For example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. This collection is nothing but a collection of even integer. So because of this collection is a set. That means we can easily identify that even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and so on. So this collection is well defined collection, so it is a set. The collection of all questions in this chapter. Again we can easily collect all the questions that belongs to this chapter. So this is a well defined collection and because of this we can say that this collection is a set. Last one is a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Again this term, because of most dangerous term, this collection is not well defined collection because there is a no criteria to determine which is the most dangerous animal. So given collection is not well defined collection and because of this is not a set. Question number 2 is given that a is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank. First one is 5 blank a, that means 5 is present in set a or not. So yes, 5 is present in set a, so we write 5 belongs to a. 8 does not belong to set a, that means 8 is not present in the given set, so 8 does not belong to set a. Third one 0, again 0 does not belong to set a because 0 is not present in set a. 4 is present in set a, so we will write 4 belongs to a. 2 is present in set a, so we will write 2 belongs to a. 10 is not present in set a, so we will write 10 does not belong to a. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Write the following sets in the roster form. That means we have given set in set builder form and we will convert the given set builder form into the roster form. First one is a is equal to x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x less than 7. This we have given in a set builder form, and we will convert it into roster form. Now x is an integer, first condition, and second is -3 less than x less than 7. That means all the integers between -3 and 7. So integers between -3 and 7 are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are the integers -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 between -3 and 7. So this you convert in the roster form. Second one is b is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So x is a natural number and it is less than 6. So all the natural numbers which are less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this you have convert in the roster form. Next is c is equal to x such that x is 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. That means the number is 2-digit number and it is natural number such that the sum of its digit should be 8. So first one is, if we take 17, 17 is a natural number and 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Next one is 26. So 26 is a natural number and 2 plus 6 is 8. Next is 35. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 35 is natural number. Next is 44. 44 is a natural number and 4 plus 4 is 8. Next is 53. 53 is a natural number and 5 plus 3 is 8. Next is 62. 62, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 62 is a natural number. 71, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 71 is a natural number. And 80, 80 is a natural number and 8 plus 0 is 8. So these are the numbers which are natural numbers such that the sum of its digit is 8. Next question is d is equal to x such that x is a prime number. X is prime number and it is divisor of 60. That means prime factor of 60 we have to find. The prime factor of 60 we can find in this way: 60, 2 30 is 60, 2 15 is 30, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is. So factor of 60, prime factor of 60 are 2, 3, and 5. So prime factor of 60 are 2, 3, and 5. Next one is E is equal to the set of letters in the word trigonometry. That means we have to write a set of letters which present in trigonometry. So we can write the given set in roster form as T, R, I, G, O, N. Now again O. O is already we have taken, so we will not consider O second time. M, E, now E, T is already present, R is also present, and last one is Y. So this we have written in the roster form. Last one is F is equal to the set of all letters in the word better. So in roster form we can write F is equal to B, E, T is 2 times, so we will write only 1 time T, E is already in the set, so no need to write again, and R. So this is in roster form B, E, T, and R. Now we will continue question number 4. Question number 4. Write the following sets in the set builder form. We have given all the sets in roster form and we will convert it into set builder form. First one is 3, 6, 9, 12. Now this each number 3, 6, 9, and 12 are multiple of 3. That means 3 can be written as 3 multiplied by 1, 6 can be written as 3 multiplied by 2, 9 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3, and 12 can be written as 3 multiplied by 4. So in roster form we can write x such that x is equal to 3n. Now one more thing, n is natural number 1 2 3 4. This 3 is constant, 3 as it is रहता है यहाँ पे 3 3 3. 1 2 3 4 are multiplied with 3, so we can write 3x is equal to 3 into n, and this n is a natural number, n is natural number, and नेचुरल नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, 1 2 3 एंड 4 पे ख़त्म हो रहा है. सो 1 2 3 एंड 4 द नेचुरल नंबर n less than 5. So n take values 1 2 3 and 4. So 1 2 3 and 4. Now when we put x equal to 1, so we get 3 into 1 3. When you put x equal to 2, so we get 3 equal 3 into 2 6. When you put x equal to 3, 3 into 3 9. And when you put x equal to 4, so we get x equal to 3 into 4, that is 12. So this you convert it into set builder form. So in set builder form we can write x such that x is equal to 3m, n is a natural number, and n less than 5. Next example is we are given 2 4 8 16 32. So here we can see that this number 2 can be written as 2 raised to 1, 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2, 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3, 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4, and 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. Now we will convert this number 2 4 8 6 32 into this form, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2 3, 2 raised to 4, and 2 raised to 5. That means in set builder form we can write x such that x is equal to 2 raised to n. And what is n? N is a natural number because n start from 1 2 3 4 and end at 5. So we can take n is natural number, and again n less than 6 because n take value from 1 to 5, that means n is less than 6. Now if we put n is equal to 1, so we will get x is equal to 2 raised to 1, that is 2. If we put x equal to 2, 2 raised to 2 4. Similarly 3 4 and 5. So this we have written in set builder form. Now next question, 5 25 125 625. This we have given in roster form, and we will convert it into set builder form. Again 5 can be written as 5 raised to 1, 25 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3, and this number 5 raised to 4. So again we can write x such that x is a 5 raised to n is a natural number, and n less than, here last number is 4, so we can write n less than 5. So n take values 1 2 3 and 4, and when we put 1 2 3 4 in this form, so we will get x equal to 5 25 125 and 625. So this we have convert to set builder form. Next is 2 4 6 and so on. So clearly इसको हम देख के बता सकते हैं, दिस इज नथिंग बट दी इवन natural numbers. All numbers are positive, so we can write these numbers are even and natural. So we can write x such that x is an even natural number. So set builder form we can write x such that x is an even natural number. Now next 1 4 9 100. Now this we can write as 1 can be written as square of 1 is 1, 4 can be 2 raised to 2, 9 can be 3 raised to 2, and up to so on 100 can be 10 raised to 2. So to convert it into set builder form, इसको देख कर हम बता सकते हैं यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, स्क्वायर ये 2 कांस्टेंट रहता है, 2 2 ये 2, तो ये सभी 2 कांस्टेंट है. सो वी कैन राइट इट एज x such that x is equal to n raised to 2 because now n will be vary, n take value 1, n take value 2, so square of 1 1, n take 2 square of 2 2 square, that means 4, and n कहाँ पे ख़त्म हो रहा है, so n last value 10 लेगा. So we can write n is natural number and n is less than 11. Now This you have convert it into set builder form. X such that x is equal to n square, n is natural number and n less than 11. So this you have convert into set builder form. Now question number 5. List all the elements of the following sets. Now this we are given in set builder form and we will convert it into roster form. A is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. Now x is an odd and natural number, so we can write odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So this you have convert it into set builder form. Odd natural number, these numbers are natural number as well as odd. Now next, b is equal to, given that x such that x is an integer between minus half and 9/2. Minus half, that means 0.5, and 9/2, that means 4.5. So all the integers between these two number, minus 0.5 to 4.5. So we can write integer from minus 0.5 to 4.5 as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are all the integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 lies between minus 0.5 to 4.5. So this we have convert it into set build roster form. Now we will take next is c is equal to x such that x is an integer and x square less than or equal to 4. अब यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं है पॉजिटिव इंटीजर या नेगेटिव इंटीजर, सो वी हैव टू कंसीडर बोथ. C is equal to x such that x is an integer and x square less than or equal to 4. अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ इतना ही बोला है, x is an integer, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है एज वेल एज नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. सेकंड कंडीशन इज x square less than or equal to 4. First we will start from 0. Now 0 is an integer and second condition is square of 0, so we can write 0 square is equal to 0 and 0 less than or equal to 4. Yes, तो सेट में आएगा फर्स्ट 0. सेकंड वन इज 1, so square of 1, 1 square of 1 is 1, 1 less than 4, so just we can take a 1 also. Next number is 2, 2 square is 4 and 4 less than or equal to 4. Yes, so we can take 2. And 3, so when we take 3, square of 3 is 9, 9 less than or equal to 4. No, that is not true, so 3 नहीं आएगा. Now सिमिलरली 4 भी नहीं आएगा, सो 3 से जितने भी लार्ज नंबर है वो सभी यहाँ पे नहीं आएंगे. नाउ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स x इक्वल टू -1, स्क्वायर ऑफ -1 इज 1, 1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4, तो नेगेटिव इंटीजर आएगा -1 बिकॉज -1 सेटिस्फाई बाय दिस रिलेशन. नाउ व्हेन वी टेक x इक्वल टू -2 स्क्वायर इज 4, 4 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4. यस, सो -2 भी आएगा. व्हेन वी टेक x इक्वल टू -3 स्क्वायर इज 9 एंड 9 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4, सो -3 नहीं आ पाएगा. तो यहाँ पे इतने ही नंबर आएंगे 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. So this we have convert it into set builder form. Next is d is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So जितने भी लेटर आ रहे हैं इस वर्ड लॉयल में वो सभी के सभी हमको लिस्ट करने हैं. So we can write d is equal to L O Y A and L आ चुका है 1 टाइम्स, तो हम उसे सेकंड टाइम्स कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. So this we have written into roster form L O Y and A. Now fifth one is x such that x is a month of year not having 31 days. That means हमको ऐसे मंथ कलेक्ट करने हैं जहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ डेज 31 नहीं होने चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट विल कम फेब्रुआरी, बिकॉज जनवरी में 31 डेज होते हैं तो जनवरी कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट मंथ विल बी कम फेब्रुआरी, देन अप्रैल, देन जून, देन September, and last one is November. So these are the months ऑफ अ ईयर नॉट हैविंग 31 डेज, तो ये मंथ में 31 डेज नहीं होते हैं. सो दिस आर द मंथ दैट वी हैव कन्वर्ट इट इनटू रोस्टर फॉर्म फ्रॉम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. लास्ट वन इज f is equal to x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes k. That means k से पहले जितने भी कॉन्सोनेंट हैं वो हमको लिखने हैं. नाउ k से पहले कौन कौन सा आ सकते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट. सो इफ़ यू कंसिडर a, सो a इज़ वोवेल. वोवेल कौन कौन से a, e, i, o एंड u. सो इतने वोवेल्स को हमको रिमूव करना पड़ेंगे k से पहले जो आ रहे हैं उसमें. सो a इज़ वोवेल, a कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. b इज़ कॉन्सोनेंट. c यहाँ पे नहीं है तो c इज़ अगेन कॉन्सोनेंट. d यहाँ पे नहीं है कॉन्सोनेंट. e यहाँ पे है तो e नहीं आएगा. f इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट इन वोवेल तो कॉन्सोनेंट में आ जाएगा. जी भी आ जाएगा. h आई नहीं आ पाएगा. जे एंड फाइनली के. सो के तो हमको नहीं लेना है बिकॉज के से पहले वाले जितने भी कॉन्सोनेंट है वो हमको कंसिडर करने हैं. सो के से पहले जितने कॉन्सोनेंट आएंगे वो बी सी डी एफ जी एच एंड जे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज मैच द फॉलोइंग. सो फर्स्ट वन इज 1 2 3 and 6. Second one is 2 3. Third one is MATHEIC and S. And fourth one is 1 3 5 7 9. And in short we have given this in roster form and this in set builder form. So first one is 1 2 3 6. तो यहाँ से कौन सा मैच होगा. तो फर्स्ट वन, so 1 2 3 and 6. Here first one is x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So prime number 1 is neither प्राइम नॉर कॉम्पोजिट तो इससे मैच नहीं होगा. बी से एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज एन ऑड नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन 10. सो ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स लेस देन 10 कौन कौन से आएंगे 1 3 5 7. बट 5 यहाँ पे नहीं है सो 1 विल नॉट मैच. बी सी एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज अ नेचुरल नंबर एंड डिवाइजर ऑफ 6. x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So here we can see that this 1 2 3 and 6 are natural and as well as these all numbers are divisor of 6. So one match with C. One will match with C. Second one is 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 again first x such that x is a prime number. So we can say that 2 and 3 they both are prime and a divisor of 6 as well as 2 and 3 both are divisor of 6. So this will match with A. The second will match with A. Third one is MATHICS. So this D1 x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. So third will match with D. And last one is fourth 1 3 5 7 and 9. So 1 3 5 7 and 9 are nothing but the odd numbers and they all are natural numbers. So x such that x is an odd natural number less than 10. So fourth one match with B. Now we will continue exercise 1.2.